Hello my friends, this is Aman Sirohi. Well, today in this video we'll discuss about hackers. Who are the hackers? What are their types? And how to be an ethical hacker? And first of all, who is an ethical hacker? So, I'll talk about this in this video. Be with this video till last. So, let's talk about who are hackers. Well, hackers are those person who get into your system, who exploits your system and get your data, get your private data, so known as hackers. So let's talk about the different types of hacker. So there are generally many types of hackers. So there are the three major types of hacker. So I'll discuss about these three major types of hacker. The first one comes black hat hackers. Black hat hackers are those hackers who hack your system with a negative intention, maybe for monetary gain, and there are many types. And next come gray hat hacker. Gray hat hacker are those who hacks the system to make private data public, and this is illegal because they are hacking, but their motive is not negative like black hat hacker. And next come white hat hacker. White hat hacker are generally known as ethical hackers. They protect us from black hat hacker and gray hat hackers. So white hat hacker are basic need of our society nowadays, because hackers are growing very drastically. As we know, China is doing cyber attack on India, so our nation takes a step, and we also have a lot of ethical hackers who protect us from China. But in future we also need a lot more ethical hackers, because this is a growing world, this is a growing era, and this is a technical world. So we need some technical peoples, and we need some peoples who protect us from these kind of black hat hackers or gray hat hackers. So we need white hat hackers and ethical hackers. So the first question comes in your mind, how to be an hacker or ethical hacker? Well, if you want to be an ethical hacker, you should think like an hacker. So for that you have to know how to be an hacker or how to be an ethical hacker. So I'll talk about how to be an hacker or ethical hacker. So first of all, you should have knowledge about programming language. So the most common question comes in your mind that which language should we learn? We should go for C, C++, Java, Python, for what? According to me, you can learn any of the language, but master that language, and later you get the concept, logic behind the language, then it's easy for you to turn to some other languages, because the main thing is concept of the language. In the other language, the different things are their syntax, that's it. So the concept and logic is common between the languages. So the next come networking. You should have the knowledge about networking to get into ethical hacking or hacking. If you don't know about networking, then I don't have any words to say now. You should have knowledge about networking. Otherwise, you're being a hacker, you're being an ethical hacker, otherwise you'll get hacked by some other hacker, because you're just like a script kiddie, or if you don't know about networking skills. So know about networking skills first before diving into it. So the next comes, you should have knowledge about different operating systems. So means you should work upon them. Most of the people used Windows, but most of them not used Kali Linux, Ubuntu, because they don't know about them generally. So generally hackers use Kali Linux or some other Linux operating system. So you should have knowledge about Linux and other operating system before diving into it. So if you like that video, click on the like button, and if you have any doubt about hacking or ethical hacking, and so you can comment below and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon button for more updates. If you want some more videos on the same topic, so comment below. So thank you for watching my video, guys.